Good morning, shortly.
Good morning, Akoko.
Apo me there.
Yami adome ho ye na we.
Adom ne mpa boy ho ye pa. O wan kran na waba.
Isi say am abedru nkran.
Oh, okay. Yeah, then nyame ase. My yenhwe power situation currently committee no dey briefing am wo.
Yo, ano pay me that mentia initiative for me through for nyina. Na sisi the little briefing I any say there was shortfall in production in terms of dam Akosombo dam no, which is the hydro and any major hydro facility there supported them no. GRIDCo for sea station akọ off nti akọ off na ama Akosombo ntumi fa kwanya no ema. But the underlying issue and it's a government planning because a government planning here and Kasabia and they will see and Kayo other plants area on gas they are moving to those plants so that you see in and it's a transformer and Yama almost replace no. If I have procurement one that but almost instead of a human so share Amaya shares are transformers. Former CEO of or managing director of ECG no, but transformers they are moving fast so why you procurement so. In some of your politics, there was some investigations, and you actually transforming now my baby baby, because yeah, almost now in the years they advise company on areas how we have transformers.
Honorable line no emze yenya challenge kakra. I don't know whether say who you suma peace be na bibia yeah peace be anka obetimi a disconnect ya mai. Afi de kakra.
With the mon kafana me driving key.
Okay.
Na o say me parking.
Right.
Enti the woman say okọ ECG omo advice company no send you was almost share omo transformers baby was some upgrades ni sade no enti based on that na Dubik Mahama e the procurement of transformers ni be ECG di omo adwuma e ba begu o mo ba ye mo sigi so mo hwehwem na Dubik procurement abro so enti the whole of last year adwuma na e was some ye e ma sa problem we e ma no mo antumi anye. And then a problem na ba be no afi na mo be ka kire sa mo be sesa transformers and na me say omo di media for di ECG engineers achi o tesia omo replace transformers omo di achi but transformers nye tomatoes aye to odom se de bia akoto transformers dis a wo oda ana ya ye ne de abrel enti I feel say government negligence kakra bem poor planning abem almost technical expertise and I'm away in Aba. At the end of the bus stop should be on the ministry. There was a minister and so no send your all pump for there was on Ankasa so no planning ben or yeah and she said ben or yet to her say you be do situation with ma you were more than 5,000 megawatts capacity and you peak demand you use about 4,000 megawatts and see over extra 1,000 megawatts in case say you fan say Akosombo dam every stream ne so a wo excess na wo no aden na wo man omo gas no ntumi empower nkania no e ma say even enye ni nyina na obetia power crack at least if you able to power 500 to 600 megawatts to add up to the ewo ho na dum so ne nya te sese ne aye hu sisi ano
but Interestingly, mo procure transformers ebi buy and per the minister's report, no, just say eguabe 5 years. As a Muslim amwayu.
Debi okasa enye no kre. Eye o share easy.
Hello.
Hello.
Honorable Kaza.
Yeah. Within the last week, when you say MPP in terms of transmission, sir, Christian Kumasi transmission line on 330 kV MPP na year. Ghana Burkina Faso interconnection project 225 kV MPP na year. Abuazi Christian transmission line 330 kV MPP na year. Brekum almost supply improvement project in MPP na year. Kumasi Bogatanga transmission line 330 kV MPP na year. Achimota Malam 161 kV and also MPP na year. Enti yakati yaka bebre Accra 4 supply points no. Any Kaswa substations ni na no. MPP na year. Kumasi Afari Military Hospital 33 kV ayekosi wo substations ni box supply points yesisi wo Ghana bebre ne fa MPP na year. Enti waba was say we share the one because plan the whole plan ya to ho engineers select to me aye who assessment who say when you here enti governance is a continuous process. Waba obi aye ye we nyina make us me bobo a akokwa debate here and MPP here in the power sector no make in terms of transmission year one distribution yade you can say bobo ade beche enti also there is a self plan no now she so ke o ma ya kodu ha enti yenye ntraso Ghana so every year bia demand power demand ni grow we share report o de ba every year bia demand ni grow once I wouldn't say every year bia demand ni grow no the year 2025 you do not have the luxury so bet na the whole year so the hwehwe we mu
Ti delay no ka ho.
Delay ne ka ho.
Okay.
Delay ne ka when say na gidigidi o ma soma engineers atiasi mu say aha mo kwasa transformer.
Engi
ka wo ba ye na nipa na procure ne ma na ngu a. Anka sabe afa na obeye procurement o. The other person was visionary. Say no, at the end they kon yan procure even NDC be ba ne egu no mo de aye adwuma.
Wow. Enti ekobane say ya mo as a committee no. Ya mo need role to play say mo be ensure say the right thing is done by the ministry.
No, enti ministry parliament ne oversight responsibility. But juma na nkasa de ministry ne agencies ne enti oversight no dey ne say ejuma omo ya no ye be from about parliament every year be ombeba omo de omo work report programs budget ni niama omo expenditure bi omo de be ba be kire enti omo ba na ya ne be ye pensim mu ni abisa we mo ye ne say we mo ye sade na ma anya ni sei ana sabre ya niama e koso ne so yetumi from ni a question omo enti ya ne role ne say ebia ye ne omo ye be puchi omo tools ama niama bi omo aye ni yi enti we aba say no ede ya ye ne minister be kasa ye ne agencies ni be kasa in fact weekend na free last week be nyina na ye nam
Okay.
na ye visit power plants no enti weekend you say time ade we say na ye wo atuabo because we say last week mo be kai say atuabo so gas processing plant no
Yeah.
and what touch mama GRIDCo the any Ghana gas statement by
Yeah.
enti ye ne call atuabo ho nzema ho lembele say ekwa share plant ni situation almost say omaye ampa say omotumi a repair wi
Okay.
and I say you be no but se muka bi no omo ka kire ye na ye ntena nkan enti ansa ye to so ye koy ampa ye ni engineers ni kodi nkomo engineers ni ka kire say problem ni dey buy but omotumi a crack pass na ba ntema ba be du am omo replace ama gas plant na sha say ye adwuma
Oh, okay.
ye koy so me am de mani hu na plant na omo so asi so a ye adwuma. Apart from no, just call VRE. ekwohwe VR so aboaze de no eni ekwan no ne hu se omo plant ni bi wo ha omo etutu ti se T3 no omo tutu a omo person ya ne combine cycle a omo de infidie ni bi ba be hihim na omo aye amana aye kese but omo plant na kan de ye adwuma enti yene committee ne de ye gusa ye bo apra ye adwuma no pe kra me no ka sei ye nam kwaso ye kwoto aye adwuma so.
Okay, but the sacking of a CEO GRIDCo, meaning so what? Moko hono ni muhu ye ni no. Does it really make sense?
Sacking it me who ni say a small screen. A small screen because asem na ban ti ase pe obi na ye de ne etwa so ye de ne sacrifice. Enye CEO ne sacking no na ebe solve. In fact, Henra sacking me brakoso. CEO no dia na ba. Kuma sense mate say ETG regional paying for no.
Reshuffling.
Paying for no reshuffle bi abem.
Yeah.
I'm ye omo. Now question I may be funny say. If you are ye wo hoyi. Kuma sen kan ya ni endum bi ma na. And se kuma sen kan ya ni dum bi ma. O me san ye reshuffle for fana. Where your questions I was here, bisa.
Right.
As some of yen share be a problem no one yen solve it. Na sa small screen na hurriedly. Ya be pam obi, ya record shuffle obi because party be chairman say omo no I some ye party before any other. We shouldn't politicize the technical people na ye adwuma wo ye power sector no. Akoko am say ukọ rounds. Na ukọ share anadwo na engineer si utesa akosombo dam ura jam ni mu ekwase heat ehyewe wo pa engineer si omo wiewie university omo hyehyɛ omo helmet na ye omo hyehyɛ ase ye adwuma sɛ de bia nkane abegyina so a menji ni sa wo politician be kasa tia sa technical people no.
Okay, honorable mamina se anope.
All
right, Honorable Michael Aidoo for Procurement MP member Energy Committee and Otin Nkano. Barbara Facebook, there's a worrying trend. Maka Vox